In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage time off requests, approvals, and calendar management in Asana 5 minutes. First, log into Asana and open the project you'll use to manage time off. Keeping all requests in one dedicated project makes it easier to track status, communicate decisions, and visualize team availability in one place. Next, open the Customize panel and choose Forms. Create a time-off request form so people don't have to guess what to include. Give the form a clear title and short description that explains when to submit and how approvals work. Add fields for start date and end date, PTO type like vacation or sick, a notes field for context, and the submitter's name. Mark the essential fields as required so nothing falls through the cracks. When someone submits the form, Asana will automatically create a task in your project with those details. To make tracking consistent, add project custom fields that mirror your form. PTO status with options like pending, approved, and denied, along with start date, end date, and PTO type. Aligning fields between the form and the project makes sorting, filtering, and reporting seamless, and it keeps everyone speaking the same language. Now let's automate approvals with rules. In the project's Customize area, create rules with simple triggers and actions. For example, when a new request is created, automatically assign it to the approver, set PTO status to pending, and apply a due date for review a few days before the requested start. You can also add a rule that when PTO status changes to approved, posts a comment to notify the requester and adds the task to an approved section, keeping everything tidy without manual steps. To stay on top of what needs your attention, use an approvals-focused advanced search. Filter for tasks assigned to you and narrow to pending requests in this project. Save that search so you can open it daily and clear your queue quickly. For a visual overview, switch the project to calendar view. With start and end dates filled in, requests display as multi-day blocks, making it easy to spot overlaps and plan coverage. If you want your main work calendar to reflect approved time off, connect Asana with Outlook or Google Calendar using the built-in app integrations. Sync only the project or filtered views that show approved items to avoid clutter. Finally, use your custom fields and Asana workload features to see who's out and balance capacity. You'll prevent bottlenecks, protect deadlines, and give your team clarity every step of the way.